Hello, in this quick video we are going to fix this leaky toilet by simply replacing the flapper, and that's going to be 9 times out of 10 the issue with your toilet. You don't have to replace the whole unit, you just replace that little rubber red piece that's right there. Yours might be blue, and I'll show you to know exactly which one fits and how to do this. Now, so this particular toilet, as you can tell, is leaking. And so I purchased a 2-inch rubber flapper off of Amazon, and I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get it. And Corky is a pretty good brand. 9 out of 10 toilets are going to be using this. It'll be a 2-inch flapper. And one way that you can tell is if the hole, you could fit a baseball, as you can see here, right on this hole. It'd be about the size of a baseball that can fit in there. If it's a size of a softball, that would be a 3-inch, and you would need a little bit larger flapper, which Amazon also sells at the very same location from the link that I want to send you. So the majority of toilets made before 2005 use this 2-inch, and a few use 3 inches, which has a lot more water. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn off the water from the spigot. It's going to be usually located on the bottom left, and the only thing you have to do to turn off the water is go all the way to your right. So you're going to go clockwise. See here? That turns the water off, and if it's a spigot, then you would just keep turning it until it turns off. So now we know that the water is off. Let's go ahead and change our flapper. Now, you can use pliers. You might not need it. You might be able to use just your fingers, but pliers does make it a little bit easier. But other than that, that's going to be the only thing that you're going to need. And so let's go ahead and remove it. And it's usually connected by a chain. This is the little arm. And yes, you can get these replaced, and these do wear out as well. The metal wears out on these, and these sometimes need to be replaced. That's also an easy repair. So let's go ahead and undo this. If for whatever reason this breaks, where you're connecting this in, you can actually go down and to the different holes, and sometimes you'll get a better angle, and sometimes that will shut the water from flowing just by doing that. All right, so we remove the chain, and it has 2 hinges here. There's 1 hinge here, 1 hinge here. And it's pretty easy just to, as you can see here, only thing you have to do is just like a little hinge that you just pop off. And you can see there the water corrodes them really easy, so it's no wonder that you need to replace them so often. So let's go ahead and replace it with our brand new rubber flapper. And again, this is 2 inches. It's just held up by a chain. And we'll just loop and redo everything I just did to put it back on. Fairly simple to do. So let's go ahead and put it back on. Let's go ahead and connect our chain first. Now, like I said, sometimes you need pliers to remove the old chain from here. But as you can see there, I was able to do it just with my fingers. All right, so there's that. And then let's connect here. All right, just force these back onto the hinges here. And then let's do this other side. There we go, see there? And that should work to stop the leak. And of course, you can usually tell by ear if it's still leaking just by listening, or your water bill will tell you if it's leaking. And we could, of course, test it here. All right, and let's go ahead and turn on our water. Put that back on, and of course we go the opposite direction. We go counterclockwise to turn it back on. So water should fill up, and then now we shouldn't hear that leak. It looks like it's watertight as it can be, and I do not hear any leaking anymore. So that fixed our water leak just by replacing the flapper. Again, I'll put in the comment section where you can get this off of Amazon very cheaply, the 2-inch. And if you have a 3-inch, you should be able to get it from the same Corky site on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.